Good morning, students. Today's topic is about the history of physical education, and more specific, the nature and meaning of physical education. In prehistoric times, physical activity played an important part in the survival of man. Now, what were these physical activities about? The instinct for survival motivated man to obtain food, shelter, clothing, and protection from enemies and the environment. Early man had to learn how to hunt, fish, climb, swim, hurl a club, throw a spear, and make weapons. They had to be able to fight and become accustomed to the spilling of blood. At an early age, children were encouraged to develop their 1. Strength, 2. Courage, and 3. Stamina. What is physical education? Physical education is an educational process involving physical activity to acquire information, knowledge, and practical experiences, skills, attitude, and values which will help you to evaluate choices and make sound decisions in an attempt for perfection of your body, physical well-being, mind and spirit, emotional, mental, and social well-being. Education in the physical education setting takes place throughout an individual's lifespan and is not confined to a formal physical education classroom. It is a fact that individuals who participate in regular physical activity throughout their lifespan live a healthier and longer life. One of the long-term objectives for individuals participating in a physical education program, such as those formerly done at school, is to develop lifelong participation in their chosen sporting activity and living a healthy lifestyle. The formal physical education program provides one of the few opportunities for every student to develop these skills, knowledge, and confidence necessary to lead a physically active lifestyle. What does a physical education program promote? It promotes an active lifestyle, improved health, motor skills development, better cognitive performance. Over the past 5 decades, great strides have been made in the successful advancement in the scientific study of physical education. These developments have been so profound that PE has now become an academic discipline from which many sub-disciplines have evolved. Some of these sub-disciplines are exercise psychology, kinesiology, sports medicine, sports psychology, sports history, sociology of sport, motor development, adapted physical education, and motor learning. Example of research areas in physical education: active healthy children, adapted physical activity, analysis of human movement, athletes' health, behavioral medicine and exercise psychology, exercise physiology and biochemistry, sports and academic performance, sports and leisure organizations, sociological and cultural studies of sports and leisure, sports psychology. What is the role of physical education in schools? Physical education plays a prominent role in developing abilities and physical capacities, developing healthy lifestyles, promoting fair play and camaraderie, teaching tolerance and moral values, promoting social cohesiveness within and between communities. What are the objectives of PE? 1. To develop physical competence and confidence in a range of activities. To be creative, competitive, and better able to meet challenges as individuals or as part of a team. to maintain a healthy and active lifestyle throughout their lives, to better plan, perform, and evaluate actions, ideas, and performances, to discover what kind of physical activity the individual are most interested in, and which role, performer, coach, choreographer, teacher, leader, or official they wish to take on. What is education? Education is learning through experiences in both formal and informal settings, and it takes place through three domains. One, the cognitive domain, knowledge based. Two, the affective domain, feelings and understanding. And the psychomotor domain, practical experiences through doing an activity. Formal education through schools, colleges, and universities are all directed towards producing individuals who will attain the intellectual knowledge, skills, understanding, and appreciation necessary to make wise decisions, good judgments, and logical analysis of problems, shaping individuals to become active, contributing members of society. How does the development of physical education takes place through education? Physical education contributes to the knowledge of exercise, health, and diseases. Physical education's contribution: instructing individuals about their bodies, instructing individuals about the benefits of exercise, instructing individuals about the importance of proper nutrients, instructing individuals about the importance of physical activity, the importance of rest, the importance of sleep, the importance of the danger of illegal drug use, the importance of preventive measures to guard against diseases. What is the contribution of PE? Physical education activities affect our socialization, economy, politics, and education systems. Physical education has contributed to an awareness and appreciation of beauty, gymnastics, in the floor exercise, the goalkeeper making a spectacular save, etc. Physical education stresses humanism, characteristics of the individuals such as their fitness level, skill level, and handicaps. Physical education has contributed to the understanding of the role of physical education and sports in providing career opportunities. Physical education has contributed to the self-actualization, self-esteem, and a healthy response to physical activity. It can contribute to an individual recognizing his or her potential in a sporting activity, an awareness of the body is capable of doing, and the ability to plan activities that will promote good, healthy, and better physical image. What is the difference between physical education and physical activity? The definition of physical activity: any bodily movement that is produced by the contraction of skeletal muscles and that substantially increases energy expenditure, including exercise, sport, dance, and other movement forms. Physical activity includes recreational fitness, sports activities such as jumping rope, playing soccer, lifting weight, or participating in organized sports. With what is the difference between physical education and physical activity, I'm closing off the nature and meaning of physical education. I would like to thank you for your attention, and I'm looking forward presenting the next part, which will be the nature and meaning of sports. Thank you for your attention.